day, and me and Ethan are going on a rib today. Should be a good day. It's such a nice day for a ride. It's not too hot, not too cold. But this is actually my first time outside because it took me forever to edit stuff because I broke something on my GoPro. So now I gotta put it on one computer and then take it to another. It doesn't make any sense, but when I do it, it makes more sense. That sentence didn't even make any sense. But whatever, I'm going on a ride today. Oh, Hannah sent me this in the mail, I think for my birthday, so I'm gonna open it right now. Woo. Water bottle. I'll actually use this today. Thank you, Hannah. Shout out.
Thanks for my gift, Hannah.
Look at this, yo.
Dick.
Let's go to France.
Oh, jeez. She went all in.
Shout out, Hannah.
We're up.
Filling it up. And let's get on the road. It's too late in the day. Let's get on the road here. Safety first. Oh God. Thank you, Hannah. Let's. I think I have the ISO all the way up.
Skype here, Skype here.
What's up? Yeah, Jesus. See the what? No. What's that for? Oh God. Biking on 352 or Route 1, not 352. We're definitely not supposed to be biking on Route 1, so we kept cutting into like these little like driveways and like this small businesses, and we stumbled upon this abandoned banquet hall. It's pretty sweet. Definitely somewhere I'm trying to go into. But it looks really cool. It's really big, bigger than the house that we were at yesterday. Definitely be a good sense. It's all plywood. Flat. Actually, yeah. Dude, there's like an unnecessary amount of glass right here. Unnecessary amounts of glass. Hello? It's locked. Who would have thought? You think this wire's live? No. Circle. Maybe it takes a couple tries. Holy moly. People definitely chilling on here too. There's Wawa. Who comes here to eat Wawa? Really? Actually walking on glass. Like, should we not be breathing that in? This is super suspect, dude. No, this. No dead bodies. Nice graffiti though. This is the back door right here. This is where I was knocking up. Super suspect. Which way? All the way up. Is it? This view. Too cool.
This is nuts. Gil.
Need to go to the bathroom? Nice urinal. Oh, the porch, dude.
What?
The porch. Yeah.
Yo, we clean this place up.
Probably should have hit our bikes.
Let's just move it.
This is sweet. This is pretty dope. What a time to be alive. It's funny because we've lived here for so many years, but we've never noticed this place.
Past this at least 100 times.
Dude, so many times past here. To the creepy part.
Huh?
To the creepy part.
I mean, the whole thing is creepy.
Club Onyx! These are good plates too.
These are. They're made in China. It's fine China.
Oh my god. Stacks on stacks.
Yeah, stacked.
There's gotta be like hundreds. Come here for college. I don't think we've been here. Oh, we're probably in those rooms. Alright, that's where we came. Definitely was the kitchen. Let's get out of here. That'd be dope.
It looks nice.
Yes. Dope. Baller spot. Finding spots like this hypes me up so much. It's pretty creepy in there, to be honest. Old banquet hall, I think it was. I'm gonna check when I get home though, but I think it's an old banquet hall. Too cool. Yeah, you wanna go to Wawa? Yeah, let's get a free coffee. Let's finish this adventure with a free coffee. Yes. Dude, it was a good bike ride today. It was a pretty sweet bike ride. Ooh! Oh god. Oh, oh. Nice, nice. Nicely.
That's bomb.
Jeez, we were cruising, dude. God. Ride over. We climbed nearly as much as we rode.
Mile was.
Yeah, we did a ridiculous amount of climbing for the amount we actually rode.
Not enjoyable. But hey, we're stuck at Delco.
Yeah, Delco Hills. Up and down and up and down.
Everyone questions like, oh, you only rode 15 miles? Yeah, but we climbed 1,000 feet too.
So true.